the scene is in a park, and me and Marie are actually boys.
Yeah, we are boys.
I like reading too, eh? Yeah. And what are you reading? Philosophical book. Ah, Aristoteles. Yeah, I know Aristoteles. Yeah. With the cave. I know it. Yeah. Very interesting. Yeah. Nice weather, eh? Yeah. I like to come here and sit here and enjoy the weather and the view. Yeah. Do you come here often? No? Ah, it's good, yeah, you should come here more. Yeah.
I have a question. Did you see somebody with a red jacket? I'm waiting and I'm a little bit too late already. Maybe he passed or he was here or something?
Maybe you can wait just a moment. Maybe he comes.
Yeah, I will do text message.
Yeah, but I know you. I saw you already. You saw me? Yes, in the bar.
Huh? I don't.
Yeah, in the Golan.
Yes.
No, I recognize you on your jacket. Same jacket.
Jacket,
like
yeah?
Yeah,
Wait, I first send text message. Normally he would be here. Yeah, I'm actually 10 minutes too late. I was too late with the train.
She didn't pass. I'm already here for half an hour.
Yeah.
Too early.
But I just sent text message because if he's then too late and
You go often to the Bora?
that cafe?
Yeah.
Yeah, from time to time I'm there.
So you live also
so
in Ghent?
busy. Yes, I also live in Ghent.
Okay, fine.
You knew this guy? I have an appointment, it's 5 and it's important. But it will be okay. Yes, I'm
Studying something?
yeah, I studied, but now I'm working for some art gallery and
Which kind?
it's a new artist that will maybe come to show.
Oh, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I study art.
Ah, you study art?
What artist is it?
Yeah, he's a modern artist. He works with like clay and the ceramics and it's nice. Oh yeah. Wait, I will search for it. I don't know.
Isn't it Nick Bentequeen?
Yeah. It was this.
Yeah.
He's now
I
famous.
thought so.
Yeah. Ah, you know him.
Yeah.
Nice. And where did you went to school?
In Brussels, in the art. But I live also in
Ah, yes. What were you reading? Yeah, maybe we can go to drink something in the bar?
In the Bora?
In Voret, at cafe? What do you think? Because I think maybe he just forgot he had another appointment or something. So we can go. What do you think? I can pay you if you want.
You want?
Of course I want.